Hey there guys, this is truly scary, and you remember the last video of me playing White Noise. I'm gonna try this again, and by the way, thank you for the 50 plus subscribers. That it is really great. I mean, I'm not sure I deserve it. I mean, I make crappy videos, but anyway, let's get on with it. Okay, so part 2. Let me turn down the volume. There, that's better. Huh. Bleh. Bleh, 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 bleh. What is that, anyways? Wow, their feet. No, they're not. That's a wolf's head. It's Scooby-Doo! Scooby-Doo has been Medusa dies. He's been Medused. I don't know. Getting close. I can smell it through my ears. Oh, it's really close. See if I can turn up. Nope, that's all I get. Resume or exit. Resume or exit. There we go. And this is where shit gets real. Like I said last time, the music is much scary. Jesus Christ. Already? Is he still there? Where'd he get? Oh, he's gone. Oh, he's gone. Oh, crap. I'm pretty much screwed at this point. When you see that first flash, then you know you're screwed. Alright. I hear one. I don't see it. What is this? Huh. Are. Okay then. I've seen this before. Oh great, my flash. It's a whole army of carrot smileys. This is the best gameplay ever. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again and run into a visible wall. Running on the road again. Guys. Ah! Jesus! Still there? Wow, that fucker is fast. Anyways, on the road again. Oh, here's something. Can you walk any faster, please? Oh, shit's around here. Oh. Alright. Yeah, this is the trial version. I don't have money to pay for it. So, yeah. I wish running. Look at its beautiful nostrils. Look like eyes. I wonder if this person has unlimited stamina. Oh, he's choking. Yeah, he choked. Got asthma. Stop it, man. Not good for... Oh, God. See? He's right there. Oh, God. Let's see if I get jumped like the first time I ever played this. Like, it was freaky. Oh, here's a road. On the road here. Army of Smiley carrots. That's not it. It's a switch. Gotcha. Oh, I'm trapped. Oh, crap. I'm trapped. Okay. And do the Harlem Shake. I don't know why I just did that. Anyways. Apparently the white noise monster doesn't like the Harlem Shake. Oh. Oh. Anyways. Like if ever... No, that's pretty bad. I gotta pause it. No, that's the pause because... Crap. Anyways. You can hit me up on Xbox Live. My name is Antimate Caliber. I will spell it out. Wait, there it is. Antimate Caliber. Hi. I just waved. What the hell? Anyways. Yeah. So with him. Oh, okay. Anyways. Hit me up on Facebook. And stuff. I don't know, Twitter. I don't know why. Yeah. You can get this game for 80 gamer score. Or Microsoft points. And it is pretty fucked up. Oh, guess I'll see you guys later. Thank you for those 50+ subscribers, by the way. Keep on rocking. See you guys later.